If you had waited a second, I would have told you it was raining. Instead of pouting, why don't you find something to do? Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Hey, if you can't find something to do, I'll find it for you. Hook, wait! I just polished everything! I gotta do something! Bye, Hook! If you're looking for the dude with a kitty attitude and it's 85 degrees and you're scratching 'cause of fleas, it's Cat Town. Meow. Meow, ow, ow. When the fur is flying high, it's two wheels do or die. If you've ever wondered why, it's